Hey there, today I'm going to be unboxing the box of clothes that I got from Golden Tote. So I'm pretty excited. This is my first time trying Golden Tote. I haven't seen a lot of reviews or unboxings on YouTube, but from what I did see, it seemed like it was a pretty good deal and the clothes look pretty cute. So I'm very optimistic. The way Golden Tote works, it's a little like Stitch Fix, well, in that you get a box of clothes sent to you. But unlike Stitch Fix, you actually get to select one or two items with Golden Tote, and the rest of the pieces are selected by a stylist based on an online style profile that you complete. Also, another difference is the cost of the items. It comes out to about $29 per item, and it says it's about a 50% discount off of retail prices. So that sounds like a really good deal to me. So the way it works, they typically will release a collection of new clothing items at the beginning of the month. I think it's the first Monday or something of every month. They didn't have a new collection for this month, January, but they should have one for February. The tote that I ordered actually is from the December collection. Most people would tend to order at the beginning of the month when the selection's the best. Okay, the way it works, there's 3 different types of totes to choose from. First is the mini tote, which is actually what I ordered, and that's $59, and it includes 2 items, one you choose and one that's a surprise item. Next is the surprise tote for $89, and that includes 3 items, but they're all surprises. And the golden tote is $149. It contains 5 clothing items and 2 you choose from and 3 that are surprises. Another thing is that if you order a golden tote, you can also add on items from their boutique at a discounted price. So that's what I did. So I ordered the mini tote for $59, and I also added on the white sweater that was $35, and I think the regular price was $40. So it was about a $5 discount. It does sound like Golden Tote is a really good deal. The only downside with Golden Tote, if you were to return anything, and you are able to return, you would have to pay for the return shipping. And also, you lose the benefit of the discount. So I think it's pretty much Golden Tote in hopefully a nutshell. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. Okay, so here's my box. And it is actually pretty heavy. It's not like a big box, but I'm only expecting to get 3 items in here because I got the mini tote and an add-on. So let's see what it looks like. So with Golden Tote, your clothing items come in this nice tote bag. So I think, yeah, every month they have a different tote. And this is the tote bag for December. That's pretty cute, and it's very usable. Very nice. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay, so I have my 3 clothing items, and they're just wrapped in plastic. And it has a card. It says, "Thank you for your Golden Tote order." And it has information about returns. Okay. And then it also has an invoice, and the total that I paid, including shipping and the add-on item, was $99.95. So not bad, 3 items. So let's see what I got, my add-on item. Okay, so it's a white sweater. Wow, this is incredibly soft. It's just a basic. I like it. It's nice. And it is by the brand Yay Mac. And size medium. That's the first item. I have my dog here. The second item, this is the item that I selected, so it's not a surprise. And it's a pair of skinny jeans. So I just thought, why not? It's actually a good price for skinny jeans. And these are not my typical type of jeans. It has like a interesting frayed edge. But I noticed that even though it's like frayed looking, you can see it has stitching so that it's not just gonna like, you know, fall apart. So I think that's good. So these are cute. So we'll give them a try. And they're in a size 7. And then lastly, this must be the surprise item. This is the fun part. So let's see what I got. Wow, this is another, oh, it's a dress. Wow, I got a dress, all right. This is really cute. Okay. So it's by Potter's Pot? Yeah, Potter's Pot, never heard of that. But it's kind of a burgundy, and I love this color burgundy. It's long sleeve, it's incredibly soft. This is really cute. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try everything on and see how they look. Okay, so here is the sweater, and it's really soft and it's super nice. It's soft and it feels good quality, and you can see the oops, it has like a little bit of a, it's a little bit slightly longer in the back. But yeah, I really like this. It's just a basic. And have their tote. This is the tote bag, so you can kind of see what it looks like. And then also I'm wearing those frayed hem skinny jeans. And I'll show you what they look like. They're pretty high-waisted, and they fit perfectly, which I'm very lucky. And I guess the interesting part, and I don't have any jeans like this that have like this kind of frayed hem. And I am 5'1", so I'm extremely short, but I don't mind it actually. I think it looks fine. I think it's good. Okay, and here is the burgundy dress, and it's a sweater dress, but it's kind of like a A-line? No, I'm not sure. But anyway, it's very flowy. I love the style, and it's soft, it's thick, it's substantial. It seems to be very, very high quality, and I think it's like an incredible deal actually that I got this for basically $29 plus shipping. I love this actually. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Yeah, all right. So that was everything in my mini golden tote this month, and I have to say that I'm happy. I got a dress, a sweater, and a pair of jeans for under $100. So yeah, I'm almost kind of sad I didn't get the golden tote with 5 items, but maybe next month, we'll see. I do have coming up a mix and match box that I've ordered, and also I've got another Stitch Fix coming. I just got an email that my stitch is on its way, so hopefully that'll come soon. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in these type of videos, I do a lot of unboxing videos. I also recently did a haul video, and we'll see what else I come up with. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos in the future. Thank you so much. Goodbye now. Bye.